In today's video, I'm going to show you how to win eBay auctions for cheap. Whether you're hunting for rare collectibles, electronics, or just looking to save money on everyday items, these simple yet powerful strategies will help you score amazing deals without overspending. Let's get started. First, one of the most effective techniques to win auctions at lower prices is snipe bidding. This means placing your bid in the final few seconds of an auction, usually within the last 5 to 10 seconds before it ends. By doing this, you minimize the chance of other bidders reacting in time to outbid you, keeping the final price lower than if you'd been bidding early. If you plan to snipe manually, make sure you're logged into your eBay account at least 2 minutes before the auction closes. Keep the page refreshed so you can see the live countdown. When there are about 5 to 10 seconds left, place your maximum bid, the highest amount you're willing to pay. eBay's automatic bidding system will take care of the rest and adjust your bid up only as needed. Now, if you prefer not to do it manually, consider using a sniping tool. Popular tools like Jixin Bid Slammer or Auction Sniper can automatically place your bid at the exact final moment. These tools take the stress out of timing your bid perfectly and increase your odds of winning, especially when you can't be online during the auction. Another powerful trick is searching smarter using hidden or misspelled keywords. Sometimes sellers make spelling mistakes in their listings, for example, typing Nikon camera instead of Nikon camera or PlayStation without the space. These listings often receive fewer bids because they don't show up in standard searches. Try experimenting with small variations of popular item names. It's an easy way to uncover hidden bargains. Timing is also crucial when it comes to eBay auctions. Look for items that end at odd hours like late at night or early in the morning, especially between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. local time. Auctions that end during these hours or on holidays and weekdays usually have fewer bidders online, which means less competition and cheaper prices. Before you start bidding, always set a maximum bid limit and stick to it. It's easy to get caught up in bidding wars, but emotional bidding can lead to overspending. Decide your limit in advance, enter it as your maximum bid, and let eBay's system automatically increase your offer only if necessary. Once the auction ends, eBay will notify you if you've won. If you didn't, don't worry, there are always new listings coming up. You can even set alerts to be notified when similar items go live. And that's all there is to it. By following these eBay tips and tricks, from snipe bidding to smart searches and perfect timing, you'll be able to win auctions for cheap and grab amazing deals with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical online shopping guides.